Hello, I'm Tyler Tully, and this is Stockhead's Who's Who on the ASX. It's the who, what, where, when, and why of ASX listers, giving you a snapshot of standout players on the index. Ora Banda Mining is a gold exploration and development company on the rise in 2025, with its Davyhurst Gold Project located in the highly productive Eastern Goldfields region of Western Australia. Let's look at a company snapshot. Trading on the ASX under the ticker OBM, Ora Banda holds a total mineral resource inventory of around 2 million ounces and an average grade of 2.5 grams per tonne gold. The board of directors has extensive knowledge across the resource and finance sectors. Managing Director and CEO Luke Craig has over 2 decades of experience under his belt, having served as Chief Operating Officer for the near $30 billion capped Northern Star Resources. Ora Banda's land package at Davyhurst consists of 92 granted tenements covering around 1,200 square kilometres. The project's prospective for gold as well as nickel sulphide and base metal mineralisation. Lots of resource development activities have been completed across 5 advanced target areas, all of which culminated in the delivery of a definitive feasibility study in 2020. First gold was poured in Q1 of 2021, and Ora Banda produced just under 100,000 ounces this financial year. The project has pre-existing infrastructure in place, including a 1.2 million tonne per annum conventional CIP processing facility, enabling a rapid, low-capital pathway to production. The company now has several gold projects, all of which feed into the central Davyhurst processing hub, enabling a ramp-up of gold production and cash flow. Ora Banda closed off FY25 recording a 32% increase on gold production in FY24 and the second year of over 30% year-on-year organic growth. With just shy of $85 million in cash in the bank and stockpiles of 165,000 tonnes grading 1.9 grams per tonne, the company is well placed for the next financial year. Located just 120 kilometres northwest of Kalgoorlie, the Davyhurst project is in a prime location, surrounded by high-grade assets. The Eastern Goldfields region in WA is host to multiple gold deposits and heralded historically significant production during the gold boom of 1890 to 1950, churning an estimated 600,000 ounces at the time. OBM's production guidance for FY26 is around 140 to 155,000 ounces, an increase of around 60% on the previous financial year. The ramp-up will come from a full-year contribution from the Sand King underground mine and the company's ongoing third-party ore sale agreements and processing of excess ore. Ora Banda signed an MOU with Norton Goldfields in July 2025 for Norton to acquire and process up to 400,000 tonnes in FY26, which is expected to result in a full-form binding ore sale agreement. So, why Ora Banda? The company is highly leveraged to record gold prices. Gold reached its record high in April, breaching $3,500 per ounce, and has since been trading above $3,000 an ounce since mid-March. With tariffs in the US, an increasingly volatile situation in the Middle East, and inflationary pressures, demand for the safe haven asset shows no sign of slowing. And Ora Banda appears more than ready to make the most of this opportunity. For more ASX news and analysis, subscribe below.